Sir, what happened today regarding those bail applications?
First they were produced for remand. Today their first remand was expiring, so they were produced before the Honorable JMSC for remand. I argued in favor of remand. Police were asking 5 days police custody. Then accused was represented by advocate. They argued against the remand, and after hearing both of us, JMFC has granted 2 days police remand.
Extend.
So after the remand was granted, matter was taken up here before the Honorable Sessions Court for arguments on bail. Learned PP argued, I argued, and the advocate for the accused argued. Their arguments were that they are innocent, they are falsely implicated, their custodial interrogation is not required, and the grounds stated by the police requiring custodial interrogation do not make out a case for rejection of bail. So that was their argument. My arguments were co-accuser absconding. The say explicitly additional say was filed, and it said that the accused who are in custody now are misleading investigation and are giving names of people who are not there, who have not participated in the offence, and when called and their call details were ascertained, they were found to be somewhere else. So in additional say, the IO has clearly disclosed that the accused who are inside the custody are giving wrong information and misleading the investigation, and that's the reason why they could not trace the details of the remaining accused. Similarly, are not cooperating to give recovery of weapons. That was the say of the IO. I argued saying that since there is 109 adduced to the crime, which is attempt to murder case, the police get initially 60 days. In these 60 days, where they have a right to claim custody for 15 days, they can exhaust these 15 days in parts also within the first 60 days. It is not necessary that all 15 days should be taken at a stretch. But there is a flip side to it. If the accused is granted bail within the 60 days, once you are arrested, once you are released on bail, you cannot be re-arrested in the same crime. Considering that for the first 60 days, bail should not be granted. That was my argument. They are arrested on 4th of June. There is still 60 days for the investigating officer to exhaust his 15 days police remand. He can exhaust it anytime. Now only 5 days are exhausted. So another 2 would be 7. Still 7 days are pending. In these 60 days, he can anytime take those 7 days. So till 60 days expire, bail should not be granted. That was one of my arguments. Secondly, a very important argument was that co-accuser absconding, their details are to be found out. Now it has been brought to my knowledge that the main accused and the other 2 accused have filed anticipatory bail.
Okay.
Third important point, recovery of weapon is mandatory. Weapons are not recovered. Then one of my argument was that the victim stays in Nasnala and the accused are in Moira. So he has to pass by the house from that village where the accused stays. So there is threat to his life. Then witnesses who have seen the incident are apprehensive of coming ahead and giving their statements. So all these factors I have argued in the court, and the court has fixed it for orders tomorrow, day after tomorrow afternoon.
सध्या एक्यूज आता जे कस्टडीन आसा त्यांचे कॉल डिटेल जेन्ना काढले तेन्ना कितें कळले?
ते हांव नको ते दॅट यू हॅव टू आस्क द IO कॉल डिटेल्सांचे कितें आहा ते. आय कॅनॉट रिवील इट एट दिस स्टेज बिकॉज इन्व्हेस्टिगेशन इज पेंडिंग. आय रिव्हिलिंग एनीथिंग वूड इम्पीड द प्रोसेस ऑफ इन्व्हेस्टिगेशन. सो टिल फायलिंग ऑफ चार्जशीट आय कॅनॉट रिवील एनीथिंग.
अजून मेरेन अशी इन्फॉर्मेशन मेळटली की पुलिसां कडल्यान रिसर जे डॉक्टर सर्टिफिकेट जी आसा पळय ती अजून मेरेन त्यांच्यानी प्रोड्यूस करूंक नासली. त्या सर्टिफिकेटीचे कितें जालें?
आय अर्थ सर्टिफिकेट प्रोड्यूस केली. देर आर नो फ्रॅक्चर इंजरीज. बट सुप्रीम कोर्ट इज क्लियर टू एड्यूस अटेम्प्ट टू मर्डर or to invoke 109, which is attempt to murder, injury is immaterial. There should be intent and knowledge to kill. If there is intention and knowledge to kill, then attempt to murder can be adduced. So injury is immaterial. आणि या एक्युजाक आमच्या नाकाक आणि तकलेक इंजरी आसा. सो that या विक्टिमाक आमच्या सॉरी. सो नाक आणि तकली vital parts of the body, and any severe blow to the head or nose can cause the death of a person. So that is from where I am saying intention to kill should be gathered.
हियरिंग परत केन्ना दवरले हेजे?
For orders दवरल्या. Arguments were. Okay.
Yes.
Thank you. Yeah.